Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a DIY tutorial on how to make these pendant lights. You're going to need the following items: 12-inch bamboo skewers, 12-inch embroidery hoops, a spray bottle for water, black paint, teal paint, a couple paint brushes, hot glue gun and glue, this light rope from Amazon, ceiling hooks, galvanized wire, pliers, and some sanding blocks. First, we need to prep the skewers. Get your spray bottle, fill it with water, and start spraying down the sticks. After the sticks are slightly dampened, start to paint them. You're going to want to keep this spray bottle handy so that you can use it throughout the painting process. The point of mixing the black with the teal is so that you can get some really interesting color variation. You can see with this close-up that when the colors are combined and you use the water, the paint ends up having a more natural look. Once you're finished painting, set them aside to dry. I let mine dry for 24 hours. And then we're going to start hot gluing them to the embroidery hoops. When you start gluing the skewers to the hoops, make sure that you use the flat end first. Start with about 20 to 30 skewers, and then add about 20 to 30 skewers to the other hoop, making sure that the flat ends align with the other hoop. Every couple of minutes, I would take the pendant and stand it up straight just to make sure that the skewers were straight and not crooked. To make sure that my skewers wouldn't really move anywhere, I just glued the heck out of it. Continue putting the skewers on the hoops until you have your desired look. Now we're going to take our pliers and cut off the pointy ends of the skewers. If I had to do this all over again, I would absolutely do this at the beginning. Now we're going to take the galvanized wire and make a cross at the center of the light so that we have somewhere to hang the lighted wire. There's probably a much more professional way to do this, but honestly, this worked out perfectly. The last part of this process is to hang the pendant lights. Grab your sticky hooks from Amazon and you're going to figure out where on the ceiling you want to hang them. The best part about this rope light is that you can adjust where it hangs on the ceiling hook as many times as you want. The ceiling hook itself is really sticky though, so be sure that you're okay with the placement before you actually stick it onto the ceiling. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos on home decor and other DIY projects.